Welcome back, athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will take your performance to the next level. We'll be diving into meal planning and prepping specifically tailored for athletes. Whether you're a professional athlete or simply looking to improve your fitness goals, this video is packed with valuable tips and delicious recipes to help you succeed. So, let's get started. Segment 1. The importance of meal planning for athletes. Proper nutrition is vital for athletes to optimize their performance. Meal planning ensures that you're fueling your body with the right nutrients at the right time. It helps maintain a consistent intake of protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. This leads to improved energy levels, enhanced recovery, and overall better performance. Fact 1. Studies have shown that athletes who follow a well-designed meal plan have better endurance, increased strength, and reduced risk of injuries compared to those who don't. Segment 2. Key tips for effective meal planning. Now that we understand the importance, let's dive into some key tips for effective meal planning and prepping. Tip 1. Calculate your macronutrient needs. Determine your daily protein, carbohydrate, and fat requirements based on your activity level, goals, and body composition. Tip 2. Plan your meals around workouts. Ensure you consume a combination of carbohydrates and protein before and after workouts to fuel your training and aid in muscle recovery. Fact 2. Consuming a balanced meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates within 30 minutes after exercise can significantly enhance muscle recovery and glycogen replenishment. Tip 3. Pre-cook and portion your meals. Spend some time each week pre-cooking and portioning your meals to save time during busy training days. Invest in good quality food containers to keep your meals fresh. Segment 3. Delicious and nutritious meal prep recipes. Now for the most exciting part, delicious and nutritious meal prep recipes. These meals are designed to provide you with the nutrients your body needs for optimal performance. Recipe 1. Protein-packed quinoa salad. Ingredients: cooked quinoa, grilled chicken breast, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers, sliced avocado, feta cheese, lemon juice, and olive oil dressing. Recipe 2. Energizing overnight oats. Ingredients: rolled oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, almond milk, sliced fruits, bananas, berries, etc., honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Segment 4. Conclusion and final tips. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and recipes to take your athletic performance to new heights. Remember, proper meal planning and prepping will set you up for success. Here are a few final tips to keep in mind. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key for optimal athletic performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Fact 3. Even mild dehydration can negatively impact your athletic performance, leading to reduced endurance, strength, and cognitive function. Tip 2. Listen to your body. Adjust your meal plan and portion sizes based on your individual needs. Everyone is unique, and what works for one athlete may not work for another. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has inspired you to take charge of your nutrition and make meal planning and prepping a part of your athletic routine. Remember, consistency is key, and your dedication will pay off in the long run. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep pushing towards your goals. See you next time.